Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You see the video. Welcome back. So I introduce myself. My name is Fahri Destisan Ramadan. Student ID 2021262972 from Group F or ITS student involved. Today I want to demonstrate about the calculation based on the Sundial method. For this method, I using the calculation from the Zuhur prayer and Asar prayer. So for the tools we have to demonstrate are: the first one is the split two base of the times. The second is drawing the clock. The third one is the pen. Fourth one is resort, and the five is the smartphone for the calculator. So let's check it out. So the additional two tools that we use is, first one is the sun. The sun is purpose to find the shadow on this pencil, and the second one is the pencil is the best control point to see the shadow of the sun. So the first one is determine the Zuhur prayer. So after we made the control point by using pencil, we see the shadow of the pattern. The pattern of shadow is to the half to 11 o'clock, or we can see it the video, and we can draw or note of the notes by pen like this. After you drawing with the paper using the pen, we can see the two of shadow. The short of the shadow indicates the times, and the long of the shadow indicates the minutes. So we can see the estimate of the Zuhur prayer is half of 11 past 35 p.m. After you see the shadow is divided by short shadow and long shadow, you can calculate using the Falaksari method, and after that you can combine the Falaksari method and the Sundial method. So we combine and see the result, the difference while using the Sundial method and the calculation with the Falaksari. So the next part is how to calculate with the Falaksari method, and the next one is to find how to determine the Asar prayer by using the Sundial method also. So the next one is how to determine the Salat time. So in this question we can find how to calculate the Zuhur prayer and Asar prayer. For the first one, for the Zuhur prayer, the time I will use is for January 2022 in Surabaya. The latitude is -7 degree 15 minutes of south, and the longitude is 112 degree 45 minutes of the east, and the equation of time is -05 minutes 01 second. For the declination of sun is -22 degree 41 minutes and 10 seconds. For the calculation, the first one is to find the correction on the time place. The equation is lambda dh minus lambda of dp divided by 15. So we can conclude that the lambda dh is 105 degree based on the Indonesia place, minus minus 112 degree 45 minutes divided by 15. So the result is minus 0 degree 31 minutes and 0 seconds. So how to determine the zone barrier? So we can use of the 12 of the up to the clock minus 0 degree minus 0.5 minutes and 0.1 seconds. It's based on the equation of time plus of the minus 0 degree 31 minutes and 0 seconds for the correction of the time place minus 0 degree and 2 seconds of the E. So the answer is the 11.573 degree or 11 past 34 and past 22.8 seconds, or we can conclude that the super prayer in Surabaya on 4th January 2022 is 11 past 35 AM. So the next one, to how to find the asal prayer by using the sundial. After we calculate the solar prayer, we continue after 4 hours. We continue to the how to determine which using sundial method for the asal prayer. So there are two kinds of the shadow. The first one is a shadow for the times and the long shadow for the minutes. So we can see the short shadow indicates two pattern for the T PM and the long shadow to 12 to the right, like 2 degree to the right. So we can draw the short shadow using the pen. After we drawing the shadow using the pen, we can see the estimate for the asal prayer is T past 2 PM in the afternoon. So the methods will indicate that the asal prayer will be held in 3 past 2 PM. So after that we continue to the calculation with the Falaksari and combine it with the sundial method. After we find the sundial method to find the asal prayer, we continue to determine the asal prayer. So the first one, we find the cotan of each. The equation is tan lambda minus d plus 1. So the result of the cotan h based on the equation above is 22 degree 35 minutes and 27.6 seconds. Is that the absolute? For the cotan h is 17.454 x7269. The equation is this is degree, and the h degree is 34 degree 37 minutes and 33.6 seconds. The next one, to find the kotangan of t. So the equation is minus tan theta times tan theta plus sin h divided by cos lambda divided by cos theta. So the result of the t is 60 degree 13 minutes and 47.53 seconds. So the next one, we find the start of the Asar prayer. So the result is 12 minus E plus T minus 15 plus 9 plus E. So the result of Asar prayer is 15.2024658 of the degree, or we can conclude the Asar prayer start at 15.01 minute and 28.77 second, or we can conclude that the Asar prayer is 15:02 in the afternoon. So based on the calculation between the Sundial method and the Walaksani method, we can conclude that in Surabaya on the 4th January 2022, the Zuhur prayer start at 11:35 AM and the start of the Asar prayer is 3:02 PM. So that's it for my video. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.